Let us do this question. In this, it says, if pKb fluoride ion is 25 degrees centigrade is 10 power 83, the ionization constant of hydrofluoric acid in water at this temperature. Okay. So first, let us understand what is meant by a conjugate acid base pair. So for a conjugate acid base pair, HF, whenever we put it into water, it will disintegrate into H plus and F minus. Okay. Then the Ka of this reaction, this is an acid which is getting dissociated. The Ka for this reaction is F minus concentration into H plus concentration upon HF concentration. That is the Ka. Then we'll find out what is F minus, what will happen with water. Whenever you add water, like this all reaction is happening in water. So F minus, whenever it reacts with water, it will form HF again and we will be releasing OH minus. So F minus is our conjugate base. So HF and F minus are considered to be conjugate acid base pair. The Kb for this reaction would be HF concentration, OH minus concentration upon F minus concentration. Why I am not taking H2O? Because H2O is pure liquid. For liquids, we don't consider. Only this constants can be written only for aqueous ions and also for gases if at all any present. Okay. Now what we will do is we will find out what is Ka into Kb. When I multiply this Ka into Kb, I am going to get F minus into H plus upon HF into HF concentration, OH minus concentration upon F minus concentration. So F minus gets cancelled, HF gets cancelled. So Ka into Kb is nothing but equal to H plus into OH minus. H plus into OH minus can be written as ionic product of water, which is Kw. So can I write Ka into Kb for a conjugate acid base pair, that is the product of this Ka into Kb is Kw. Similarly, if I put logs, that would be pKa plus pKb will be equal to pKw. Okay. So pKa plus pKb is equals to pKw, which is equals to 14. This is 14. pKw is 14 because Kw is 10 power minus 14. So I hope you understood the concept behind it. Now, using this, let us find the cause. So what he says is pKb fluoride ion has been given. He's asking us to find the pKa. So pKa, we know that pKa plus pKb is equals to 14. So pKa is equals to plus 10 power 8, 10 to the 10.83 is equals to 14. pKa would be equal to 14 minus 10.83. So if I subtract this 14 minus 10.83, I'm going to get 7. 9 minus 8 is 1, 3. So that is 3.17. So pKa is 3.17. Ka, anti-log. I should do anti-log for this 3.17. So anti-log of 3.17 is nothing but minus, so 10 to the power of minus 3.17. 10 to the power of minus 3.17. So 10 to the power of minus 3.17 is the Ka, but the answer is not given like that. He has given in some other terms. How do we do this? Now what we do is this 3.17, we will approximate it to be 10 power minus 3.2. For our easier calculations, we are approximating it like this because no logarithm, nothing has been given. If at all any log values would be given, we would have used that, but no logs have been given. So we will just simply use 10 power minus 3.2. So if it is 10 power minus 3.2, can I write it as 10 power 3 into 10 power minus 0.2? Because a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. Similarly, 10 to the power of 3.2 might have formed by 10 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 10 to the power of minus 0.2. So this 10 to the power of minus 0.2, I will let it as 10 to the power of 0.2 to the power of 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by 10 to the power of minus 0.2. So we know that according to logarithms, we know 10 to the power of 0.3010 is 2. So that is nothing but 10 to the power of 0.3 is 2. That means 10 to the power of 0.2 will be lesser value than 2. So first what we will do is we'll approximate it to be 2 and we'll find out answer and we'll see according to the options which would fit. Let me take this as 2. So 1 by 2 into 10 power minus 3. 1 by 2 would be 0.5 into 10 power minus 3, which is nothing but 5 into 10 power minus 4. So 5 into 10 power minus 4 would be our answer. But our value was less than 2. That means 10 power minus 2 should be less than 2 because 10 power 0.3 is 2. That means less than 2. That means this value will be more than 5. More than 5 would be the option for that would be 6.75 into 10 power minus 4. So according to the options, it is 6.75 into 10 power minus 4. This is how we do it. If at all nothing, no information has been given as the question, nothing has been given, we approximated it and found the answer. There will be always an ambiguity between C and D. But if you go by the correct calculations, if you find out the anti-logs of 10 power minus 0.17, you are going to get 6.75 into 10 power minus 4. I hope you understood this question. If you have any doubt, you can comment below. Thank you.